Wow, look at this. What is this? What is it? Oh, okay. Wow. Wow. You are a very good artist. This is amazing. What is it, Rich?
we're making a telescope.
Oh, it's a telescope. That's actually pretty awesome. Yay! Michael, you did a great job. What's that, baby? Michael, what's this? Circle. What's this? Square. What's this? Triangle. I bet you can't figure out what this is. Diamond. Wow, I didn't think you knew all that. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, this is cool. I see. It's a circle. It's a giant. Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's awesome. What a cool art project. Yeah, I see that.